JOI is just a way to give back to the community and help others without expecting anything back and just doing it for the warm fuzzies in your heart.
You're actively changing lives. You're actually helping people. You know, even if it's like small, like on a small scale, every little bit helps.
I just really like getting to meet these people from all over, and I think that we all have a passion for helping others and spreading optimism.
We do a whole bunch of fundraisers, projects. We are making thank you cards for the volunteer pilots who fly these planes to help people.
Youth learn how to lead and speak out and be able to help out in their communities, and it's such an incredible experience.
You meet all these new people and you make all of these new friends with people you never really thought you'd be friends with.
JOI was always a place that I could go and talk to my friends and really see that there was always happiness and peace.
Everybody feels good when they're helping other people, and Junior Optimist is just a great way to find that.
Even if you've hit the top or what you think is the top of Junior Optimist, there's always somewhere else to grow.
Just get involved and make sure you apply yourself to the fullest. Get the most out of the experience that you can.